Save on our 2 steps packaged together. Our inside-out treatment system is a comprehensive approach to firmer, younger-looking skin. 2 powerful products designed to attack aging on the inside and the outside by supporting the body's own natural collagen synthesis and increasing skin elasticity. 1 Collagen Peptide Drink Mix. Perhaps the most important step in skincare is to replenish cells with vital nutrients and peptides that are naturally depleted with age. Glotrition Collagen Peptide Drink Mix contains Verisol, a patented collagen peptide that has been clinically shown to increase skin firmness and reduce wrinkle depth in just 30 days by spurring new collagen growth. Hyaluronic acid, biotin, and a targeted blend of powerful antioxidants help to nourish skin cells and protect collagen fibers, the building block of our skin. This all-natural, delicious crystalline powder blends easily with water to form a tasty and nutritious liquid collagen drink. 30 Convenient, easy-to-use packets. 2 Age-defying topical serum. Our amazingly potent blend is designed to treat the 3 main problems with aging skin: 1 Lack of firmness, 2 Loss of moisture, and 3 Deep wrinkles and fine lines. 2 pumps effectively treat the face, neck, and eye area. This highly effective topical treatment harnesses the power of Phylaplex to deliver undeniable results in just 4 weeks. It's the best of French, Swiss, and Spanish skincare technology all combined in one little bottle. Skin elasticity and firmness is increased, fine lines and wrinkles are dramatically decreased. You'll experience an immediate lifting and smoothing effect that lasts throughout the day. We promise your makeup has never looked this good. After just 4 weeks, your skin gains the ability to lift long-term by increasing elasticity and skin density. Paraben and allergen-free. Never tested on animals. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.